Come on up, Hopkins. Right here. Dork? Yeah. Dork.
Tigilan mo ako, Lolo. Kagigising ko lang. Gumaganon ka ng may mga.
Where you going? Junior. Junior. Ayun o. Ayun o. Ayun o.
Nabuksan?
Nasa itakip.
Akin na yung gamit niya para mabuhat niya si Elsie.
Tapon ko na. Ayos o. Over there. That's right.
tapos natatanggal. Ito na mga pagkain.
Oh my god, I'm getting hungry. What the hell is this? Corn, deal. The corn. Right here. They're selling corn. Damn, the corn smells so good. The corns. Corn meat cafe. Outdoor breaking. I don't know which one you guys want to do. Take the corn. Oh, and over here, let's look at the dessert. There's a lot. Huh? Look where? Damn, the line is so long. I don't mind this one on the right. Oh, wait, no, this is multiple lines. There's multiple lines.
Yeah.
Which one do you guys want? You can see the food up there. And then yung menu dito niya. You cannot eat cheese, right? Huh? You cannot eat cheese?
No.
Why not? Why?
I don't know, ano mga diet na naiintindihan.
Oh.
Dairy.
So he doesn't drink milk no more?
Sila, kahit sa Jared noon, ako na bumili ng pagkain, pasalubong na ako. Ganit pa sila.
What do you mean?
Pag ayaw nila, ganit. Si Jared ganun din. Si Jared pag nagkara, punta ako ng
Oh yeah, there's spaghetti in the house. Did you try my spaghetti? Oh, we got mountain.
Please don't buy me any food. Ay, sabi ni Jared. Please don't buy me any food.
Why?
Kasi nga nagda-diet.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you.
Talagang influencer. Dalawa karo. Cameraman.
Ayaw sa party.
Oh yeah, we're gonna see.
Ay, dati nagkakuha rin tayo sa pumpkin patch, ha? Mamaya. Nakuha tayo kay Isabel.
Saan?
Mamaya paglabas. Ilang gordito? Iya.
Dito. Kaya pala. Dito. Oh, wait, no.
Photo muna ha.
Parang si...
Video. Video pa?
Video.
Video. Tayo din.
Kasi tinitingnan ka ng lalaki. Kasi kita ka ng mga gano'n. Hindi naman ito. Bubugin ko? Bubugin ko?
Oo.
He's gonna cry?
Nakuha mo? Ha? Huwag po. Ay, shoes mo. Para kasi Cinderella
Oh,
ngayon.
she likes attention. Okay, I'll through to talk to her.
Babe. Hello. Hi.
There's no...
Anong gusto mo?
You're the star of the show?
Ha? Pumpkin banana. Ay, pagod na yung pangako. Nakaano sa ilaw. Hi, Elsie. Ano yun? Ha? Ano naman ang gusto mo? Oh.
That's it. Okay, one with my face.
Try mo nga siya palaro sa mga pumpkin.
Hold on, obviously. Let's try to make this down the ground.
Ayan.
Right here.
Paupuin mo.
Ayan, ang ganda. Elsie!
Ako nga. Ikaw ang video? Oh. Wait.
Oh, I can't just let her go.
Hindi.
Sapatos.
Dito po. Videohan mo
You
naman
just want me to
siya.
push on light?
Sige.
Uy, ay!
What happened?
Tuki.
What happened?
Oh, wala yan.
Is this better or not?
Okay
Is it better or
yan.
not? Is it better? Or not? Better?
Buka? Teka po. Dagdagan pa natin ang pumpkin.
Ano yun yung yung humpy-dumpy, yung nakaupo. Ayaw niya.
Doesn't look as good with her facial.
Kasi nga, parang ang lugit ko. Thank you po.
Okay, wait. Let me like one Superman. Go in the front.
Yung Superman.
Let's see it. Oh, touch it. Inip na si Star.
Tara.
Inip na si Star. You saying that's enough? Parang basa na. Hey, you have to change your...
Diapers.
Ay, nasan yung ano po? pumpkin sana. Para laruin. Tutorial. Kuha ka ng mali.
Ayan, ayan, maganda. Yung tatay. Naaaliw ako sa tatay. Tsaka sa nanay. Tsaka sa lolo. Ang cute. Ang ganda rito.
Tago ka lang.
Ayun, magandang tuha. Magandang tuha ko yan.
Hold on. Let me try shining more with light. Hold on. Check this. Come here.
Elsie! Elsie! Teka, lalagyan ko pa. Ayan, oo, yung may light.
Ayan, tago ka na.
So you know I'm only human?
Huwag mo na ako yung light. Okay na.
Ako na.
Not a light stand?
Ako na.
Tago ka. Gusto mo ako na lang?
Yeah, okay.
Elsie! Elsie! Hi! Elsie! Ba! Hello! Hello!
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here's mine!
Elsie! Elsie!
Naghihikab na.
Mick, palit mo yung kamay mo so the band is not showing. The green band. Yeah, palit mo yung kamay mo.
1, 2. Dito ka, tingin mo dito kasi. Siya tumingin ng camera. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's gonna be the greatest ever. Have you seen what he plays? No. He's like 7'6", and he can move like a point guard. What? Come with me, guys, as we ride this choo-choo train. Next stop, Osos.
You guys all the way down, okay? Remember all the way
Yes,
down.
yes.
Yeah, I have nobody. Grab the whole car.
Oh my gosh, the chair is slow. Okay.
I didn't think it was this one.
It was low because I keep your arms, legs, and hair inside the
Walk it out. Have a good evening. Thanks for coming.
Thank you. Walking out.
Say hi to the friends.
May picture tayo ngayon.
What time is it? 7:45.
That's very make a meme. If it's a night picture, first and hold.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
The 1893 Huntington train. Sit back, relax, and let your imagination run wild as we roll through the heart and soul of destination. Whether you're here for pumpkins, corn mazes, or simply a taste of the countryside, this train ride will carry you through stories, sights, and the spirit of a farm built on tradition and fun. The station. Look around. There is one rule on this train ride. You must wave at all the people you'll notice on this journey. Give your most excited and enthusiastic wave as you travel through acres of Dell'Osso Family Farm that stretch out before you. Dotted with redwood trees, olive, fruit, nut, and citrus trees. Green corn stalks reaching for the sun, and families laughing as they explore. Remember the wave? Dell'Osso Farm was founded by 3 brothers from Italy in the 1920s, whose love of agriculture and community brought this magical place to life. Originally one of the most modern dairy farms of its kind, this farm has gone through many transitions in its 100-year history. Each season, the farm transforms into a playground for children and adults alike. There's always something new to see and do. As we round the bend, our instructional corn ride, forming the legendary corn maze. Each year, the maze is designed with a brand new twist, sometimes shaped like a giant tractor, a farmer, rich, fast, but always with a pumpkin in the design, and always challenging and fun. This is why we call it Pumpkin Maze. Dell'Osso Farm is more than just a destination. It's a living testament to the power of family, hard work, and community. Generations of the Dell'Osso family have worked these lands, each adding their own chapter to the farm story. Community involvement is at the heart of everything here. Who knew farming could be this much fun? Railroads put Lathrop on the map. It is forged along the tracks that run right behind the farm. In the 1860s, railroads and rivers were the primary means of moving food supplies, equipment, livestock, and people throughout California. At the time, Leland Stanford was California's governor, a railroad baron, and the founder of the Central Pacific Railroad. His goal was to connect the Central Pacific line to meet with the Union Pacific Railroad and complete the Transcontinental Railroad. The Big Four, Leland Stanford, president of the Central Pacific Railroad, Aldous Huntington, vice president, Mark Hopkins, treasurer, and Charles Crocker, head of construction, were the railroad tycoons who funded the Central Pacific Railroad. There were no power tools at that time, just hard labor using picks, shovels, wheel tracks, black water, and one-horse power. The town known as Lathrop was originally called Wilson Station, which had a store and a schoolhouse. The railway alignment and infrastructure near Lathrop. The 1920s through 1930s was a boom and bust economy. California's Central Valley's agriculture industry became a key factor for the town and its surrounding area as it expanded in the 1930s. San Joaquin Valley growers quadrupled their acreage, increasing the demand for workers, offering slightly higher wages compared to other regions. There were hundreds of thousands of unemployed Americans searching for work. During the Great Depression, train hopping became a necessity for many families struggling with poverty and unemployment. They often followed seasonal harvests or moved between towns looking for odd jobs. For unemployed workers, often called Osos, riding the rails was particularly prevalent from 1929 until the outbreak of World War II in 1939. They had a distinction of having a strong work ethic. Our farm was situated along a major railway line and the San Joaquin River, and passing travelers frequently stopped to request work or food. The experiences of these individuals highlight the resilience and resourcefulness demonstrated during challenging periods. Sometimes, if you're extra lucky, we might even see a giant real-life Union Pacific locomotive thundering down those very tracks while riding the Dell'Osso Express. Grand old metal guns, reminding us of the enduring power and majesty of the rail. If you've seen them, give it a
there to plant the farm.
Give us a tune of their horn. It's a secret language of the rail. You see a shared moment of joy between the train and music, big and small.
Wait, where?
Thank you for riding the rails on the Dell'Osso Express. Go explore the rest of Dell'Osso Family Farm with many attractions. Make sure to check the schedule for the pig races and interactive parades in Teeny Town. New this year, Thrill Hill, an exciting tubing ride. As our train ride comes to an end and we return to the train station, remember to wait till the train comes to a and photos, and carry a piece of the farm's magic with you wherever you go.
Did you